Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Joe back with Lake Erie Golf Cars, and we're taking a sneak peek back in the custom section. We're going to talk to one of our techs today.
How you doing? I'm Billy. I'm the customizing tech at Lake Erie Golf Cars.
How long you been here?
8 years.
8 years. You starting a custom department?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you got? What do you got going on right now?
Right now we have a lifted 2017 RXV custom paint job. We're going to do a custom sound system. Gonna add a kicker system, a sub. Gonna do some underglow lights, and I think that's about it on this one.
What is the custom the paint job going to be like? I see you have some different colors underneath here.
We're just doing the candy apple, sparkle red, the gray frame, black highlights, candy apple, battery hold down.
What color is the body going to be?
It's going to be a red and black, almost like a red bandana.
Like a red bandana? That's going to be unique.
So it's got gray highlights on the body as well.
You stripped this car all the way down. What year is this?
Like I said, I think it's 2017, either 2017 or 2018.
Lithium. And this is the lithium battery outside of the car, huh? I've never seen one of these outside the car before. That's a lot smaller than how much does it weigh? Is it heavy? Can you lift that by yourself or?
It's about 20 pounds.
That's it?
Maybe 30.
Seriously?
Yep.
Okay. And you're adding what, under lights to it?
Underglows, so we got a 12 pack of underglows, so we have 12 strips going around this entire car. So basically you could see this thing lighting up from down the street.
Nice, and you said it's getting a sound system. How many speakers is it gonna have?
It's gonna have 2 tweeters, 2 mids with capacitors, plus a sub.
Plus a sub. All right, so this is gonna be interesting build, and this is a custom built to order car, right?
No, this is gonna be, you could pick this up in our showroom.
Okay, so you know what? If this is a car that you're interested in, you're gonna get to watch this thing being built from the ground up. Right now it's stripped down and it's also lifted, correct? What size lift kit is this?
5-inch?
5-inch lift kit?
Yeah, with the tires.
What parts are lifted on the front? Is it just
Only these.
okay? So those what are those called? Spindles?
Correct.
All right, so the spindles
And then
come
you just
down,
put these spacers in the back.
and that adds that lift, huh?
Correct. Plus the tires.
Have you already put the spacers back here?
Nope. So that's unlifted.
Okay. All right, it's gonna be interesting to get this thing built all the way up from scratch. Where do all the speakers go?
We have mids here. I have not decided where I'm going to put the tweeters. I'm going to throw the sub into the back next to the battery.
All right.
Just feel that rumble right under you.
And I've done a video of one of those before. We had the JBL in there.
Correct.
That thing sounds real good. Sounds real good. And this video's got a lot of views. Well, guess what, people? Now you get to see all the work getting put in. So we're gonna check back here periodically. We're not gonna bug them too much. We're gonna let them get back to work. And then, yeah, make sure you keep checking out.